When deploying cooling systems for high-density AI data centers, rapid site assembly and stable thermal management are critical for computing uptime. Runpaq Technology recently completed the on-site assembly, testing, and official delivery of its specialized containerized cooling module at a major data center facility. Engineered specifically for high-density AI server racks, this prefabricated cooling system was fully positioned and commissioned in just 8 hours, meeting stringent quality, safety, and efficiency standards. Led on site by Runpaq's executive engineering team, the delivery demonstrates our technical maturity in data center liquid cooling and modular energy infrastructure. Factory prefabrication, 8-hour rapid site setup, high-density thermal dissipation, and green liquid cooling alignment. Share your cooling capacity requirements in the comments below, or DM us directly to get a custom modular cooling proposal.